Welcome back everybody, it's MeiaSoQuick, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to design your own set of press-on nails. I'm going to be using the Beetles gel polish kit available on Amazon. So to get started, you're going to need a nail file as well as a buffing block. I'm also going to be using these little nail stands that I got. You just stick on the nails to these little stands using some sticky tape. And here are the nails I'm going to be using. I got these nails off of Amazon as well. They are by the brand Makartt. These are coffin shaped. They're kind of long and they're actually clear. I prefer these brand of nails because they're a lot thicker and it makes it a lot harder for the nails to snap and break. The different sizes of nails are placed in 10 different bags, with 0 being the biggest, usually for the thumb, and 9 being the smallest, usually reserved for the pinky. So my first step is going to be going through the bags and selecting the different nails that will fit. And once I got that, I'm going to stick them on the back of those stands. And this is what it looks like after all 10. The next thing that I'm going to need to do, I'm going to need to file the tips of the nails. Usually there's a little piece of plastic hanging over just above the number of the nail. You want to make sure that you just lightly file it straight across. Check it from different angles to make sure that it is even. And once we've got a good look at it and we're satisfied with that, we're going to move on to our buffing block. We're going to use the buffing block to buff out the shine on top of the nail. This is going to be a crucial step to ensure that the gel polish is not only going to last, but it's also not going to peel off on the nails, the very next day as soon as you finish. With the buffing block, you want to make sure that you go all around the nail and be sure to get the sides to make sure that all of the plastic shiny bits should be completely buffed away and looks cloudy on appearance. You can also go and get an e-file. I just use it with a sanding bit on the lowest setting and really use this to work around the edges and the corners that I missed while using the buffing block. Once I'm done buffing, this is what your nail should look like. It should look cloudy. Now, one step that I did not show, which is important if you're planning to wear clear nails, you would want to go ahead and get an alcohol wipe at this point and just wipe clean the nail so none of the dust will show through. After that, we can begin with our base coat. I'm going to use the Beetles base gel to lay my first layer down. Make sure that you are painting on one layer very thin. And once you've got that on all the nails, you want to make sure you go ahead and cure them in the lamp, and then you're ready to start with your gel polish. The first color that I'm going to go in is with this purple. It is 620. This is part of the Spring Into Action collection, and I'm going to go ahead and apply a thin coat to the smallest finger. I'm going to be working from smallest to largest. For my next nail, I'm going to go in with 609. It's a pinkish purple, and I'm going to go ahead and apply a thin coat of that to my second nail. Once I'm done that, I'm going on to this lilac color, number 607, and I'm going to use this color to apply to my next two nails. And once I've got that, I'm going to go ahead and move on to 603. This is like a pale pink, and I'm going to apply that to the thumb. Once all the nails have been applied, I'm going to go ahead and stick them in the lamp to cure for 90 seconds. And then I'm going to go in and start applying a second coat to all the nails. For one of those lilac nails, I decided to go in with some glitter. This is color number 621, and I'm going to apply that to the third finger. And this is what it looks like. And after that I'm also going to go ahead and pop that in the lamp to cure for 90 seconds. And here's what the nails look like after all coats have been put on and they have been cured under the lamp. Now for the fun part, I'm going to go ahead and do some nail art. I'm going to do some art on the thumb, and because I could not find my striping brush during this video, I'm going to go ahead and use these little stickers. They have different shapes to create lines. Just a little cheap set from Kiss that's available at the drugstore. I'm going to go ahead and get my tweezers and just use them to apply this V shape onto the nail. Once I got it like this, I'm just going to go ahead and press those sides in, and now I am ready to paint. I've grabbed some wax paper and I'm going to go in with some black polish. I just dab it on there this way so my polish doesn't leak anywhere and it's not wasted. I decided that I was going to do some leopard print, so I grabbed my small dotting tool and I'm just using the black nail polish to create some oddly shaped C's on this nail in all directions. The key to remember is that no animal has perfect spots, or in this case, leopard print, so don't worry about them being perfect. Once I'm good with that, I'm going to go ahead and then I'm going to grab this gold polish. This is from Sally Hansen. It's so pretty. And I'm just going to use my dotting tool to go ahead and dot in these gold spots in the middle of all the C's that I just created with the black polish. And once I'm completely done, I'm going to put this in the lamp and I'm going to go ahead and flash cure that. Once it's been cured, I'm going to go ahead and apply some of the top coat just to a little dab where I'm going to apply some jewels. Using my wax pencil, I'm going to pick up the crystal and slide it over till I'm satisfied with the placement. Then I'm going to go in with these caviar beads. I must say caviar beads are the devil, but they are really cute. I decided to put these caviar beads all around the crystal. And this is what I have so far, so I'm going to go ahead and cure that and then do any touch-ups. Once out of the lamp, I decided to go in with some black polish, and I wanted to use this black just to outline where those caviar beads were. Once again, I don't have my striping brush, so I actually had to get creative and do this with a dotting pencil. Not the best thing, but it worked okay. And here's how that came out. And then once again, I'm going to go ahead and cure that under the lamp. And once I'm done with my nail art, I'm going to go ahead and take that top gel and I'm going to apply it to all of the nails to seal it all in. After the final top coat, I throw those into the lamp for a final cure, and this is the result. I think they're really cute and I hope you like them, and I also hope you learned something that could help you make your own press-on nails at home. Thanks for watching. These were a lot of fun. Go ahead and comment below on what design you'd like to see me try next. And finally, please go ahead and subscribe or like the video. Thank you.